Hey YouTube, Chris here. Been almost 2 weeks as I turned the walnut. I just put it on the scale and it was almost 2 pounds less, so it should be pretty dry enough to turn. Bringing back to this black walnut. This bowl is roughly 13 inches wide. And about 3 3/4 inch deep. Or almost 3 inches on the inside. Put some cutting board oil on it. It's going to look pretty neat when it's done. I'll do the back and cut the tendon off and I'll get back with you guys. That's what's so neat about wood turning or woodworking in general. I got a piece of black walnut. You would think it's just a piece of firewood. Then you slice it up. You put it on a lathe. And this is what you get. This right here is where I turned it down and burned it. I thought it was pretty neat, so I left it. Alright, thanks for watching. Click the like button if you like it, and the subscribe button if you're not a member.